share house I'm living now, and this is the last day. I'm moving to Melbourne tomorrow. First share my beautiful share house, then share the tips about how I traveling and share houses or hostels or where I live. Feeling a bit cold. Okay. I'm in Australia for over 2 years now. I like to travel and I need money, so I work and travel. That means I'm gonna change lots of accommodation. Here's how I solve this problem. Find accommodation. Once I go to new town or new city, I want to save money. At the same time, I need to look for jobs. First, I will look for short-term accommodation, short-term rentals. If there is nothing, I will go to hostel. Short-term rental means I will have my own room, not like 10 or 20 people sharing one kitchen or bathroom or toilet problem. So I really like to stay in a short-term rental at least 1 week or 2 weeks, then move to the long-term accommodation, which is normally share house. In my experience, normally 1 week short-term rental is always lower than the hostel 1 week price. If you can find some short-term rental, would be very good. You need to send message very clearly and politely. What is happening? What kind of situation are you in? And who am I? And like, I'm very easygoing, tidy. I will be very polite and quiet during this short-term stay. Would you like to accept me? Those kind of things. If the landlord happy, he or she will accept you. If not, good luck. You can go to hostel. Hostel is, you can make some friends. You will never feel lonely, but you will have not much personal space. Yes, as you can see, my share house is really lovely. It's brand new. When I move in here, when I first inspect this house, there is nothing. The second time when I come here, food. People living here, Victor and Belinda. They're super lovely people. We had a warm housing party last night, and I'd like to show you this. Gonna show you. Thank you. Thanks for letting me stay for 1 week.
Hello.
We're gonna take some more. It's good. Oh my god.
Another shot glass of a pre-mixed drink. Will I get drunk? No. No, Rainbow, you won't get drunk. Did you just break that? Yes. She just broke it, the numb nut.
I want to break my hand.
She just broke it again, I just heard it.
It's cold too. Do you want to try?
What am I doing? Trying your hand with my teeth, not with a wine glass.
You want to try with my saliva?
It's so cold on your front teeth.
Yes.
There are plenty of foods.
I can't eat anymore. I like this kitchen waves. I mean, I never sing, you know. I don't have the capacity to sing. But I'm happy anyway. Can you see my feet?
Hey, 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 hey! Wait a minute, do my cup, make it in it, take a sip, sound check, Julio, get to it. Mississippi, we show up, no problem, country down the fresh show, skip it. Too high, right there, call me.
And if you found a job, you need to move to your long-term accommodation. Think about it. What do you like to do when you have no work? Some people like to swim, so better find a share house with swimming pool then. And for me, I'd like to have a bedroom with table, but it's not necessary. I'd like to have nice people around me. That's it. Okay, hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked, thumbs up for me. Give a little bit of to the like button, or you can even subscribe to it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, have a good weekend, have a good week, month, year.